Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very powerful ancestral methods how to reduce the pain of your toothache and completely make it go away. This method is very powerful and it's going to work for you within a day to 3 days, depending how deep your pain is. So if for any reason you do not have access to dentists for COVID reasons, for is that you're in a waiting list or anything, you can use this remedy and it's going to work wonders. I can clearly tell you that this method is ultimate method and there is nothing can come above it in terms of working for you, so you take it seriously. Besides this method, I'm going to introduce you to a very good habit, daily habit. If you do that every day and introduce this habit to your lifestyle, you are going to have a wonderful cavity-free mouth, gum and teeth. So it's very simple and it's very easy, and if you just continue do this method as a daily habit, after 1 month, if you go to your dentist and check for cavities or germs, definitely your dentist is going to tell you that you have the healthiest gum and teeth and there is no germ and cavity. That powerful is that method. So let's go to show you the first powerful ancestral methods, and then we go back to the second one. To prepare the remedy for the pain, you need only 2 materials. The first one is alum powder, ALUM powder, and it is a white powder, look like salt basically, so it just solidifies, but you can again press it and make it in a powder form. And the second thing that you need is mustard oil. Try to use organic cold press pure mustard oil if you can, and that's it, that's what you need. So let's go and show you how to prepare this remedy. Okay guys, it's very easy. What you need to do is that just get about half a teaspoon of alum powder into a small bowl, and if it solidifies, just press it gently and turn it to powder form, as you can see. And then you need to just add enough amount of mustard oil to create a smooth paste. So just start adding little by little to create the paste. In case if you added more oil to your powder and it got runny, don't worry, you can always add more of the powder to it and make it into a paste. So we keep mixing it until it's completely mixed, and as you can see, let me just get rid of this oil. Yeah, this is the consistency we are looking for, just into a solid yet soft paste, and it's ready to use. So let me show you how to use it. So to use that, simply you need a cotton bud and take a small amount, this much, and just place it over the tooth which is paining, and gently press it with the cotton bud over your tooth. And I'm going to tell you what is going to happen after you did that. You are going to feel a very weird taste because of the alum powder, and your saliva is going to start producing more once you put this on your teeth, which is very normal. If you happen to have a lot of saliva, which is having a very weird flavor, just do not swallow the saliva, and then you need to go and spit it out. So you need to keep this paste between 3 to 5 minutes on your tooth pressed, of course, and during these minutes, if you have a lot of saliva, just spit it out. Do not swallow it, and after that you can go and wash your mouth. So you will see a very, very big improvement from the first day to third day. If you do this in a row, once a day it's enough, or you can do it twice a day, once in the morning, once in the night that you want to go to sleep. And I can guarantee you that you are going to see a very big difference. I advise this remedy to people during the COVID lockdown, to people that they really they were fed up with the toothache, and they tried everything and it was not working, and they really had a chronic toothache, and they just did that and they were just swearing by it, and they were saying that that was just like a miracle. So this remedy is that powerful. So just try it out and just benefit from all the goodness of this remedy. And let me know in the comment if you have any questions, or let me know in the comment that what was the results. I'm going to link down the online shopping link of the alum powder, that you can order it for yourself. Maybe you cannot find this powder easily anywhere else, as well as the best mustard oil. You can just purchase it online. So yeah, that's it. So let's go to the second habit, second method that I told you to do it and to introduce it on your daily lifestyle, which is very easy. Is just simply every morning that you wake up, before eating or drinking anything, use coconut oil, raw coconut oil. Take 1 full tablespoon and put it in your mouth and start squishing all over your mouth like you are washing your mouth with it. As soon as you put the coconut oil inside your mouth, because of the heat of your mouth, is going to melt down, and just 5 minutes squish it around your mouth, and then after that just throw it away. This is going to help the health of your teeth and your gum and overall your mouth, and it's going to always keep the cavity and germs away. And if you have any minor pain, it's going to take that away as well. And also, if you are going to have future pain or any problem with your teeth or gums, this habit is going to definitely prevent that. So do this and benefit from all the goodness of this. I will link down the best coconut oil for this purpose in the description box of the video for you to buy, which is completely organic and cold pressed and raw, so you can have it and you can use it. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoy and benefit from all these amazing remedies. So I'll be back later with another yet amazing video. Take care and